Hello there. Today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to find some red hot products to promote. Now this is all with ClickBank, but we've got another site that we're going to go and visit which actually gives us a bit more in-depth detail. So it's called CB Trends. That's CB Trends, and if you click there, what it actually does is it takes you to a site that has a lot more detail to do with ClickBank products. So the first thing that we want to do is just to scroll down here. These things here are the top 10 products, so it may be worth having a little look at these. But what I want to show you here is, if you come down here, this is all the different topics and segments and sections that you're looking in. So it's worth coming in and having a little look around. So let's just take health and fitness. So we're going to click health and fitness here, and what actually happens with this now is that we can just do a bit more in-depth having a look to see. So if you come across here to the very end here, and we're going to view trends, and what that actually does is this gives us a bit more information about it. So here we're looking at the commission on this is 75%, and it's a recurring product. Yes, now this is really, really important, because if you're going to go to all the bother of promoting a product, if you're just going to promote it and get a one-time payment, well, that may be fine. But if you could get something that's a recurring on a monthly fee, or something that they're going to upsell is when they sell the next product along, and you still get a commission on that. So the earnings on this one are $20, and the rebill is $21. So you can see, you can start to really pick and choose at the ones that you're looking for, ones that really have the kind of the best return for you. So if we just come down here a little bit further, we can start to have a look at some of all of this. Now here, this here is the graph, and it's a declining trend, means the product is gaining in popularity, and so the best popularity value is 1. Well, there's quite a lot going on there. It's up to 2, so again, you have to kind of use your judgment of what you think. But without all this statistics here, you wouldn't really know. You'd be like just picking one and hoping for the best. So this climbing trend means that more affiliates are promoting the product. Now more affiliates will be promoting it if it sells. So you can see that it's had a bit of a dip there, but it's on its way back up again. So also what you need to perhaps watch out for are trends on the television, things that are happening. So if it's a particular, if it was say in the health niche or the cooking, if there's somebody on television that's doing a product, a television program, then they have a product associated with it, or even just slightly associated with it, you could see a spike in sales. So it's worth keeping an eye out for all sorts of things that are going on. Climbing trends means buyers like the product, another good thing. So what we're doing is, we're not looking to set the trend, we're not looking to test it and see whether it works, we're looking just to jump on something that's already doing well. We're just copying and following along. So this gives you all sorts of really good solid information. And climbing trends means the product is mostly sold through affiliates, and again, as I said, this just gives you a bit more information to have a look at. Now if we come back up here, what we can actually do is we can actually go back. So if you just take it back there, and the next one along is you can actually view the site. Now again, that's worth viewing the site, because as we said, what we'll be looking to do here is, at a later stage, what we'll be doing is taking some of the graphics and some of the text, and we'll actually be doing something with that. So what we need to do is make sure that it's got a really good kind of graphics and text on it. There's not a great deal on this one, I have to say. It may not be worth it, although looking up here, there's lots of different tabs and things. Whether people would actually click through that or not, well, who knows. Well, that that may appeal to the girls and to the guys, you know, so that may be a good image to have. So this may well be a really good website. Slightly different actually, because when you look at this, the banner here, it's you know, it looks as if it's a new kind of way of doing things. So again, it's up to you to have a little look around and see whether you think that suits something that you would like to promote. So if we actually go back to CB Trends now, and when we go back to the view trends here, if you actually roll down here, what you can actually do is you can see here, log into to view the raw data. That's really, there's more information about the actual the person that's actually written the ebook, you know, but it's not always necessary. So you can do if you want to. But what I wanted to show you down here, here we go, is that we can go straight from here. You see that? Click bank hop link, so you can actually click directly there. You can put in your the nickname, which is the one that we did before, didn't we? And you can create. Let's have a look. Oh, I spelt that wrong. You see, look at that. You see, and we can actually create a hop link. Now this link is the link that will actually we'll put onto our blog, and if that's clicked, that will take you directly over to that page. So that's exactly how to get that. When we're doing it on Twitter, we're going to need to shorten that, because that's a long amount of letters, and you're only allowed 140, so we'll need to shorten that when we do for Twitter, but I'll show you how to do that then. But really, this really is just to go back and have a look at all different types of products and things that you might like to start promoting. Again, as I said, if you just have a look down here, what we're looking to do is you're looking to see the amount of earnings that you can get from it. You see this one's got no rebilling on it, so if you sold it, you sell it as a one-off, and it's just worth taking a little bit of time to go through and see what the data is. When you look at this one, you see, look here, climbing trends means that more affiliates are promoting this product. You see how that's crashed down, starting to pick up a little bit now. May not be worth actually spending your time doing that. So spend a little bit of time, go through, get familiar with it, and as I said, this is a really good place. You can also go to ClickBank itself, but this, I find this site here just gives you that really more in-depth information that we're looking for. So hope that's good for you, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.